Honey and lemon mask. Mix honey and lemon juice, apply it to your face, and leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing. Lemons help exfoliate and brighten the skin, while honey moisturizes. Apply plain yogurt to your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and helps with skin texture and brightness. Turmeric face mask. Create a paste using turmeric powder, yogurt, and a bit of honey. Apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Cucumber and aloe vera gel. Mix cucumber juice with aloe vera gel and apply it to your face. Cucumber cools and soothes the skin, while aloe vera provides hydration. Oatmeal scrub. Mix ground oatmeal with yogurt and a little honey. Gently scrub your face in circular motion and rinse off. Oatmeal helps exfoliate and soften the skin. Papaya mask. Mash ripe papaya and apply it to your face. Papaya contains high level of antioxidant, vitamins A, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Papaya also contains papain enzyme that might help fight infection and heal wounds. Also exfoliate and brighten the skin. Coconut oil massage. Gently massage extra virgin coconut oil onto your face in circular motion. Coconut oil helps moisturize and improve your skin elasticity. Green tea toner. Brew green tea, let it cool, and use it as a toner. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can help with inflammation and rejuvenation. Tomato and sugar scrub. Mix tomato pulp with a bit of sugar to create a scrub. Tomato's naturally acidity can help balance oiliness, and the sugar provides gentle exfoliation. Avocado mask. Mash ripe avocado and apply it to your face. Avocado is rich in healthy fat and vitamins that can nourish and hydrate the skin.